What's up people, welcome back to our channel. My name is Bhaskar and today's HTML topic is hyperlinks. So guys, what are hyperlinks? So hyperlinks in a web page are path to different web pages or websites. Okay, suppose you want to redirect your user to a different web page or web path. So you will define hyperlink over there. They can either be in form of text or in form of graphical images. So let's take an example. For example, I've already opened html.html file here and here. So this is your plain web page. Okay, there's nothing mentioned inside it. So suppose on your web page you want to give users an option to redirect to google.com or facebook.com. How will you do that? So click here to visit www.google.com. Suppose this is a plain text. Click here to visit www.google.com. So how will you redirect the user to google.com? So either you can do it by plain text or by graphical images or by buttons. There are many more ways. Okay, so the simple and easiest way to define a hyperlink or web page link is anchor tag. Okay, a see, anchor tag. So this is our anchor tag or anchor element. This element consists of opening tag and a closing tag and href attribute. Href attribute denotes here hyperlink reference. So this is going to be the path or link of that web page you want to redirect your user on. Suppose I want to redirect our user to google.com. So just to make it hyperlink, you can use hash there, but this is not a practically a link of any web page, but it will display your text as hyperlink. Okay, I'm cutting and pasting it over here. This is just the caption area. Okay, this text is going to be hyperlink and the link you want to redirect your user to will be defined over here. But as of now I'm not defining any link over here. I'm just simply showing you how it will look like. Refreshing it. See, did you notice the change? It was a plain text and now it turns into a hyperlink. You can see the by default color and the underline here. So when I'm clicking on this link, it is redirecting me nowhere because I haven't defined any link over here. Suppose you want to redirect user to google.com. So this is the way you have to define the link in its format: https hypertext transport protocol, and this is stands for secure, and this then colon, then double slash, then www. This is the link of google.com. So now let's see the change. I'm closing this web page over here, refreshing it. Now whenever you will click on this, it will redirect you to google.com. This is your text, which is not a plain text, which is hyperlink, and the path is here under href attribute. Okay, this is name of the attribute and this is the value. Okay, so whenever I'm clicking on this hypertext, it will take me to this web page or redirect me to this web page as we have seen in the example. Okay, let's go back. You can take another example of facebook.com. Okay, so this is the format of facebook.com, and let's add a br tag over here to break the line. So click here to visit facebook. So whenever you will click over here, you will see. Okay, this is the way how you can redirect yourself to different web page or redirect your user of the your website to a different page. You can link different web pages to your web page. Okay, so that's it guys. It was our topic, hyperlink. I hope you liked the video and I hope you will practice these tags after watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Till then, keep learning, keep searching, and keep practicing.